Morning, Minsa.
Good morning, Ajams.
Wow, isn't the air so fresh today? Yeah, it's amazing. I can feel the wind blowing around you.
What is wind?
Moving air is called wind.
Oh, this is why the leaves are fluttering.
See, our friends are playing with kites.
And my friends are also playing with Sparky. Ajans, what makes up air through?
There are many gases which makes up air. There are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon, dust particles, smoke, and many other gases.
I think it's mostly oxygen, right? We need oxygen to breathe.
Mensa, it's not like that. If oxygen is too much in the atmosphere, it causes burning. Our friends Johanna, Nafida, and Nadasha will help you to know that with an experiment.
Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to do an experiment which shows that the oxygen is essential for burning. The materials that used for this experiment are 2 candles, 1 glass jar and lighter. So first of all, I am going to take a glass jar and going to put this over this candle. Now we can see that after a few minutes the candle goes exhausted. So my friend Natasha will say that why the candle is off.
When now Fida put the glass jar over the candle, the flame goes off because when we do not put the glass jar, it will consume the air around it and it will burn. But when we put the glass jar, after consuming all the air inside it, the flame will go off. So this experiment proves that oxygen is essential for burning. Thank you.
Mensa, as you asked, the major component of the atmosphere is not oxygen, it's nitrogen. Our friend Hanania will help you to know that with a pie chart.
Hi! Yeah, Minsa, I will clear your doubt. Nitrogen is a chemical element that is essential for life on Earth. It's colorless and odorless and non-toxic gas that makes up about 70.8% of the atmosphere. Nitrogen cycles through air, water and soil. It's a naturally occurring element that is essential for growth and reproduction in both plants and animals. Now I'll explain with its pie chart. In the atmosphere, nitrogen is 70.08%. Oxygen is 20.09% and argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.04%. The other gases looks like 0.0018%. Now you understand in the atmosphere nitrogen is greater than of all of these gases.
Thank you, Hanania.
Welcome, Minsa.
Then what's about carbon dioxide? Is it bad for environment?
Alia, I will give the explanation for that. It can be if there is too much of it. That's why we need to plant more trees.
Then what is the role of trees here? Can you please explain it?
They help to clean air by absorbing carbon dioxide. Now, our friend Alia will explain with a diagram.
Alia, I will explain this with the help of this diagram. Could you help? The levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere are managed by a natural balance where plants absorbing carbon dioxide through photosynthesis and release oxygen, while animals and humans breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, creating a cycle that maintains the relative stable levels of both gases. I hope you understand this.
Thank you so much, Alia, for your explanation.
You're welcome.
Hi, Ajans.
Hi, Rafael.
Ajans, I have a question. Can you please explain it?
Yes, of course. What's your question?
Is air present everywhere?
Yes, air is present everywhere.
Then what about the empty bottles?
Air also occupies empty bottles. Our friends Vishwa, Ben and Ashwin will help you to know with that with an experiment.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to explain our experiment.
Take a beaker filled with water.
Then we want to take an empty bottle and immerse it in the beaker. Why the water is not getting inside it, Ben?
Because the air is inside it and the air will not let the water go in. Now take the bottle and slightly tilt it. Why are the bubbles coming, Ashin?
Because the air is escaping from the bottle. This experiment proves that the air is present everywhere.
Thank you, friends. Hello, agents. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I have a doubt.
What's your doubt?
How does insects under the soil survive?
Air also occupies under the soil. Our companions, Haranand and Advino, will demonstrate it with an absolute experiment.
First of all, we need a glass filled with soil or sand. Now, take a bottle with water.
Now, I'm going to pour some water to the soil.
Now you can see, Donald, the bubble is coming out. This experiment proves that air is present in soil.
It's quite interesting. Thank you, friends.
Welcome.
Agents, then what do you mean by air pollution? There are harmful substances mixed in the air like smoke, factory or car exhaust.
Oh, that's why the cities sometimes smell bad.
Yes, if we breathe too much of polluted air, it causes sick. Polluted air can cause lung cancer, stroke, heart disease, etc. Minsa, do you know that car exhaust is the main reason for lung cancer?
No.
That's it.
Agents, what can we do to keep the air clean?
By carpooling, spreading awareness around the people, using bicycle more, following tree hours, and also planting more trees. This is a way to reduce the air pollution, Minsa.
That sounds like a good plan. It's important to take care of plants and the air we breathe.
Definitely, Minsa. Say, Minsa, I had done a project that teacher gave us about air pollution.
Wow, it's amazing.
Thank you, Minsa.